So let's move on the installation process and how we can install the Docker on your system. Okay, the first thing, we can just go ahead and Google for the Docker desktop. Okay, and as you can see that we have the first website here. I just gonna click on it, the first link. Okay, and you will be redirected on this one, this page. So as you can see that I got the option for the download for Mac. So we have the all the options like the download for Mac, Intel chip, the Windows one and the Linux one. So choose according to your system. So just go ahead and download it. So once you install the Docker desktop, then you have to create the account on the Docker Hub. So as you can see that we have the option for create an account. So you just have to click on it and you will be redirected on this page. So again, you have to mention your email ID, username, okay, then password, and just you have to sign up. Okay, so in the username, I prefer that you must have the username like Rohit Marathe. Okay, like your first surname, you like your first name and the last name. Yes, you can put anything as per your need, but this can be more convenient. Okay, it can be helpful while in the further video. So I am going to show you why the username is necessary here. So you can just free filter choose anything as per your need, but you can also go with the first and last name. It's gonna create your account. So just go ahead and create account, and it is necessary for our future videos. Okay, so once you download the Docker desktop, let's begin with the installation. So I have this file like the DMG file. Okay, and where it is, so just double click on it. You can just, this is the process will be same for your all the installation. Okay, I have the Mac, so I just go ahead and double click on it, and I have to just drag and drop this folder, the Docker file in the application one. I got this screen, so I just go ahead and accept this one, and okay, the Docker desktop is running. Okay, so just click on finish one. I just add my password. So as you can see that our installation process is done. So in the most of the cases, you will be redirected in the browser and you have to just add your credential and just log in. So as you can see that I am already logged in my account. Okay, let's move on the another prerequisite for this course. Okay, so later on we are just going to install the Node.js here. So again, you have to just type for Node.js and go ahead and just download this Node.js. Okay, so you have the two options like LTS and the current one. So free will to choose anything, but I recommend for the LTS version and choose your installation like the Windows, Mac OS or source code. So just choose ahead. Okay, so we are might thinking is what is the need of Node.js. So in the future videos we are going to containerise the application. So in that case we are going to need the Node.js. Also, once you install the Node.js, then we are going to also need the MongoDB here. So you can just download the MongoDB from the MongoDB website. You can just search for here. So once you install the MongoDB, then we have to install another one, that is the Python. Okay, so if you are already installed, then it might not be problem, but just go ahead and search for Python and just download and install on your system. Okay, that's pretty much the prerequisite. You may thinking is not it. We have the another one that with the VS Code. So I just choose the VS Code as a code editor. So we are writing all the files in the VS Code. So just go ahead again in the VS Studio Code and install the VS Studio Code. And once we have the VS Studio Code installed, let me show you again. So just open it here, and we have these options like the extension. So just click on it and search for, in the search menu, search for the Docker and install the extension. Okay, so once you complete your installation, then we can just move ahead on the next lecture.